Welcome back to Joyce Canyon Cut. So right now we're currently at my parents. So come in, let's go. You guys know Tommy already. What's good, Tommy? You good? Good, dude. Okay, so let's see. Let's see over here. Honey, I'm home. Okay, so we have Rosette. Rosette, where you at? Say hi. Hi. We have Rosette, okay. Rosette is my girlfriend. Okay. I'm joking, but you know, love, much love. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so we have the whole family here. We have JP, my dad, Vicky, Hing, my sister-in-law, my sister, my brother, my niece, my godson. It's a family. Welcome to Joyce Canyon Cut!
We're all part of making the band, but all of us fell, so it's only these 5 guys right now that made it. Oliver got dropped, I got dropped, so now it's only the boys, JP and 2 girls. And I think it's already a plus for Josiani to have a girl handling the drums. I saw her yesterday, she has the vibe.
Yeah, the vibe.
Yeah, she be like, good vibes. She be like, you know.
Yeah. And then I go like,
Yeah.
Alright, get that hair with
get it, girl.
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
All right.
I'm gonna see who wins.
Yes.
So the rule is, the first person to miss the shot gets thrown in the pool.
And the one that doesn't go in the pool.
What'd you say?
The one that doesn't get pushed in the pool.
You're right. High five. Woo, let's go.
I never saw someone go in the pool with tennis before or socks.
So you're next?
So Vicky and JP, I agree, let's go. Ladies first.
I thought I already made it though.
Yeah, but we do it again. We're training JP now. JP got shit on point. Wait. Hey.
You see this?
Yes, it's fine.
What? I guess it's a party. Say bye too.
Hold up.
No way. The first shot I made, so I don't really understand why that one didn't count, but I got thrown out. And now it's a real party!
Okay, so right now my dad versus Oliver. Oliver, go. Go, rule the watch.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Now let's throw the birthday girl in the pool.
Yani, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm watching the prank. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Oh, that's the same thing.
creative, spontaneous, funny, okay, and good to each other, to yourself. And work hard.
Yeah, work hard, play hard.
Yeah.